License plate in my backpack.
Go Gators, baby!
Go Gators! Yee. But I'm gonna use this video to talk about my electrical setup and some of the more technical stuff on this motorcycle. But I'm gonna go ahead and put a gallon of gas in it first because it looks like it could use some. Okay. Alright, we're rolling again. I hope the camera angle's good. I was trying to check it on my phone to make sure the angle was good. And for whatever reason, it kept saying my camera had no SD card, which is not the case. So I don't know. And also, I know in the last video I figured out that my audio was coming out of mono when it's supposed to be coming out of stereo to come out of both ears. But of course, you know, I know approximately nothing, you know, about video stuff. So I don't know how to do that yet. But regardless, back to the lights. The bike has no lights on it from the factory, which makes it kind of, you know, difficult. So I have the stator runs just the headlight. It's just wired straight to the stator. And so obviously at low RPMs, the light is pretty dim. And you know, obviously as the bike revs, since it's coming straight off the engine, the light gets brighter. And that's just what I have for the headlight. And as far as the rest of the lights, that's all the engine runs, is the headlight. And the rest of the lights, as you guys have seen, are LED strips. Anyway, LED strips that, now don't get me wrong, they run off the battery, they run off a motorcycle battery, and that motorcycle battery is in the airbox. But it was not hooked up to the engine because I don't have a high output stator in it. And putting a high output stator, and then I'd have to put a regulator rectifier and do all that stuff, which is pretty much going to be custom if I do it, is what I need to actually make the lights run off the engine in this. And don't get me wrong, I want to do it, but it's a good bit of work, and a high output stator isn't super cheap. I've had to charge it once since I've had this battery in, and I mean, I can check the hours on the bike, I probably should for my maintenance, but you know, it lasts a while, and then whenever it dies, you just bring it inside. I have a little, like, $9 trickle charger I got off eBay. You plug it into that, and it's done in the morning, you know? So that runs, as you guys can see up front, I've got LED light strips. Oh, that's how fast I'm going. I have no speedo. I've never seen that before. I've got LED light strips stuck to the triple clamps, not the triple clamps, forks up front. And those function as daytime running lights and as indicators. So you knock out two birds with one stone in that, and those are part of a kit, which is a whole harness that comes with that. It's got this little switch right here, which is left, right, horn, and then just power button. I have no horn hooked up because I just didn't hook up a horn. This thing's really loud anyway. And it's also got the tail light slash brake light slash integrated turn signal little LED strip that is tucked up under the rear fender. It's not a bad kit. It was kind of expensive for what it was, but I mean, I was not about to make my own wiring harness because I don't know anything about electrics. So I ended up buying the kit. And I mean, it's not bad. One of the zip ties, seriously. One of the zip ties. You're gonna play that in your V6 Camaro. The kit's not bad. One of the zip ties up here for these actually broke, so it's super glued on. And it's got another zip tie sticking it on, but it's, you know, it's whatever. It's not bad. It's not super visible. It's, you know, it's really just there for the sake of legality at the end of the day. So, you know. For whatever reason, the cops in Gainesville seem to be pretty chill, and I've driven, I mean, obviously this light bike is fully legal. There's nothing illegal about this motorcycle. But, you know, some cops could question, you know, things seeing with how it's so sleek and how it does look like a dirt bike. But I haven't had any problems with the fuzz since I've had this motorcycle. They really don't seem to give that much, which is cool, you know? That was actually really quick. I felt like I could have rambled and made that video way longer and gone much more into that. But that's pretty much the gist of the lights.